Welcome to the unpacking, unboxing of the Suzuki 20 horsepower motor. So we have here unpacking procedure. First some self-protection stuff, then how to handle the motor, raise the lower unit, slide and pull out the styrofoam, unlock the fastener and slide the motor cover upward, remove the motor cover, that I'm not gonna do, install the lifting eye on the cylinder block. This I'll also skip. Attach the hook to the lifting eye and surely lift up the motor slowly, remove all protectors in the engine compartment before starting engine. So I'm not gonna do all of these things because I'm gonna not mount the motor. I'll just for now unpack it to see if everything came as it's supposed to be. So here we have some covering. Okay, this is the motor. Comes with, okay, this is in German. It says that there is no oil in the motor for some transport reasons. Here's the fuel tank. Try to check out. Also, that must be the steering. Some separate little. Oh, here's the motor oil that comes with it. Let's see what kind of oil. 10V40. Some kind of crank. Yet uncertain what it's for. Okay. Some electronics, wiring. Alright. Cable for the battery. Up there's more. I think there's four. So that's how the motor looks like. I'm not gonna lift it up. I'm not gonna take it off because I'll not mount it yet onto the boat. I'll just transport it first to its final destination. Just checking out if everything is intact. This is a long shaft. Here's where the oil goes. Awesome. Probably hydraulic fluid goes in here. I have no clue. Figure that out when I make the mounting video.